Okay, so I got that nail set. So I thought we would just cut through all the BS, and I'm gonna shoot this nail with it level, and then we're gonna stake it out with a tilt, because all this fancy shooting, building corners and everything else doesn't do you any good if that's not right in the tilt, right? Now, I haven't seen that yet, so I've tested it and I can tell you it works, but I want to prove it to you. So let's do this. I'm going to get this thing set, and I'm going to shoot it in a topo mode in the tilt. So I'm going to stake it out. So I'm going to shoot it in topo mode right now, so that the two are the same, right? So let's call this 1000 for a point number, and everything looks pretty good. Measure. Now I've got my base set up over here behind us, and I'm working off of a radio, so and a base station on site. This is not coming off network, because the network can be like up and down, right? So I didn't want to do that. So let's get rid of the sunglasses, since they are trying to come apart on me here. Isn't that nice? So just shot it as point number 1000. Okay. So let's try a couple different things. One, let's do this. Let me shoot it again in topo, just so we can do apples to apples. I'm gonna call it 1000 again. Okay, so point number already exists. Yep, I already know that. So let's tilt this thing over, and let's hit measure. Okay, so I tilted it over, store it. Looks like horizontal distance was 400s, vertical distance was 200s. It's not bad. Let's say store another. Set. Let's do it again. Whoops. Let's get point numbers in here, right? 1000. Okay. Lean it more your way. Let's see what this looks like. I'm gonna hit measure. Okay. So let's see what that looked like. Out of tolerance. 500s by 200s. I always tell everybody with GPS, I can get 300s repeatability. So I think that's pretty, of course, actually I'm on the edge of the nail, so the center of the nail, that just cost me 100th right there. Let's try this now. Let's go back up. I'm gonna shoot it again. We'll get it back up straight. Same spot, if I can get it in the circle. There we go. I'm gonna say store another. So let's do 1000. Yep. Store. Out of tolerance. Okay, there again, horizontal distance 200s, vertical distance 300s. I don't know how you could expect more, right? So let's go ahead and let's average that. Let's see here, average. So as we can see here on the data collector, I am 8 thousandths north, 6 thousandths east, and 8 thousandths for elevation. Store. Okay. So now then, let's stake out point number 1000. Points. 1000. Enter. Stake out. Okay. This time I'm gonna lean it just a little bit more this way. Okay. It's telling me it's pretty much spot on, but we're gonna hit measure. Okay. So let's look at it. Store. Stake delta is 200s to the north, 300s to the east, fill of 500s. Okay, so we're standing out here in the wide open, and we've shot this thing several times, and I think it works. So now I'm gonna go to a spot where there's a pin on the other side of the fence, and we're gonna reach through that fence and we're gonna do the same thing, because it's great out here in the open, but these R12s smoke, right? So if you've used these R12s any at all, you know how well they work in the trees. So let's go do that. I think I'll take the four-wheeler.